Hi everyone, welcome back to Julie Beauty. I'm Julie. This is my last day in Vegas and I had to get ready, so once again I thought I would film it for you. I did do my eyes differently and my lips differently, and I'm using a new product by Inglot. It's their gel liner. I've always wanted to try this and I'm really glad I bought it. It's obviously much heavier than I normally do, but I didn't want to have to touch up before I go out tonight. We have a big gala to go to tonight, so I'm hoping that this will last all throughout the day. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button before you leave, and let's get on with the video. So this is what I got to do last night. Oh, it was so exciting. Oh my God. My driver was great. Not that you would expect any different. And Dave was behind me, so he took video, which I'll insert into this so that you can see what the experience was like. But it was so much fun. It was cold though. Holy cow, you know, we're in the desert. I didn't pack very well to come here. I didn't even bring a coat, but I think it was 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and I don't know what that is in Celsius, but we were a little chilly. Whoever wanted to go, we got to sign up to go into a race car, and it was amazing. My husband was in his glory, of course, and he loves watching NASCAR, so it was a great experience. I think we went about 160 miles per hour, so that was so good. And that was my experience last night. My friend and I are gonna go shopping today, so I'm going to try to do my makeup so that I don't have to really do much throughout the day. I did get a new eyeliner from Inglot, and I had heard wonderful things about this eyeliner. It's very black, it's waterproof, and I had her try it on me the other day. I really like it, so I'm gonna use that today, and hopefully it will last through my watery eyes that keep happening, like I mentioned yesterday. So you guys are gonna get so sick of me using this product. I do love other foundations, but like I said, that looks like it's matching okay. I noticed yesterday when I looked in the footage that this was not covered up, so let's see if I can cover that up a little bit better. Okay, so now my Laura Mercier powder, let's get that in there right away so it doesn't crease. Okay, let's get on to the eyes. What am I gonna do? I think I'll go more neutral and really focus on the frame of my eye with my eyeliner. So I'm gonna use my Kat Von D palette, and I'm gonna dip into this yellow, kind of mix it into that pink a little bit. I don't want it too yellow. And I'm going to dust that all over my lid, just to give a nice base to whatever I'm gonna do. That soft ochre is somewhat sticky, so when I put my dark colors on over top of my base, I want it to slide really, really nice. Then I'm gonna take this middle color right here and put it in the crease. See, that's pretty. Sometimes the simplest looks can be the prettiest. All right, I'm gonna take my Smith Cosmetics 230 and I'm going to dip into this darker color right here and go on that outer corner. So when I got into the NASCAR, oh my gosh, the lighting is changing. Sorry. Why is it getting so bright? When it was my turn to be the passenger in the NASCAR, I wasn't worried about going fast. I was more worried about how I was gonna get in and out of that car. But it actually wasn't too bad. Whatever's left on my brush from that darker color, I'm just gonna pull right into the crease. I'm gonna take my Smith 203 and I'm gonna actually mix these two colors. So I want this color, but I'm gonna just tone it down with the lighter. So this is the Inglot gel liner that I got. I'm gonna use my Smith 203 and dip into that. And I dip in and then I kind of tap it off to the lid just to take any excess off. Oh, I like that. I always think I'm making a mistake by going thicker. And then I look at it and I'm like, yeah, this looks good. Oh, see, that's pretty. Okay, now I gotta make it even. Wish me luck. I can't talk and do this at the same time. Concentrate. I have to focus. Did I do it? I think that's good. Oh. So there's the wing liner. I really like it. I'm gonna contour a little bit today. I'm gonna use my Smith 112 and I'm gonna dip into these two products right here and just contour a little bit. Not too far in. Just want a little bit of cheekbone showing there. I always take my brush, my fluffier brush, and I pinch it. You see how thin I can get that? So you don't always need a different brush. That's my little trick, so I don't have to carry too many brushes. This video is the first time you've seen me contour my nose, but you can see it makes a difference. I don't mind my nose though. I'm not out to change everything about myself. Not judging anybody that does. Same old butter bronzer because that's the only thing I brought. And I'm going to bronze my forehead again. Just make sure it stays all day but not look too powdery. I'm gonna dip into my Radiant Light from Hourglass and just dust that all over. It really helps to make sure that there's no harsh line if I just dust a little powder over top. If you're ever worried about your blush being too strong, tap in and then tap off on your hand and it will just take that little bit of extra blush off of your brush so it doesn't end up too strong. Look what happened to my palette. Keep meaning to show that to Sephora so that they, I don't know, I could glue that back in. It's been like that for a long time. A little bit of highlight. And I'm gonna take just a little bit of that lighter color with the only brush I have for this and just pull it right underneath the brow bone. Have to add some shimmer. It wouldn't be me if I didn't have something. So I'm just gonna take that highlighting powder from the ambient light. I can't talk, sorry, and do this at the same time. And just highlight right in there. It makes a difference. I think it just brings my eyes to life. I'm not used to seeing myself all matte. I know people like that, but right? Doesn't that look? I like that. Anyway, you don't have to do that. That's just what I like to do. Okay, lip liner. Now I'm gonna stick with a little bit of a more neutral lip today. I think I'm going to use my Stila Sheer Patina over that. If I had a gloss, it's just gonna remove that staying power. So if you don't want it quite as matte and flat looking, just add a bit of your shimmer. Just the center of your lip. Bit of your highlight, and there you go. You have a little bit more life to your lipstick. And it's still gonna have that staying power of a liquid lip. So that's it, everyone. Not a whole lot different from yesterday. Well, I guess the eyeshadow is definitely different from yesterday, but I wanted to show you the gel liner. I really like it. I am not at all sorry I bought it. It wasn't that expensive. You can buy it online, of course. I'll try to link that in the description box below. I'm going to add a little bit of my footage from last night and show you what I did.